So this is called the trim out stage. This is after we've already done the rough end. Not that they took that out. Okay, well, pretty nice hot house. Still, can't take but 2 days to finish. Um, but you see, there's no light fixtures, no switches. Well, we actually installed all of that, of course. We installed all of the wires, and of course, all the wires. Um, two-story home. So let's see what time it is. 9:12 now. I'm going to go ahead and get started because I actually started a little late today. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks after everything is said and done. This is just show you the houses. It's the trim out stage.